Hi ladies, and welcome to week 2. Our objective this week is to demonstrate and advocate for professionalism and accountability to change the decisions of organizations for the delivery of standard-based nursing care that's consistent with moral, altruistic, ethical, regulatory, cultural, and humanistic principles in the community through healthcare policies. Our assignment is actually to describe a family in our community who has migrated from another country, and describe that family member's culture and family dynamics. And then to discuss that family through the illness, required interventions, and ramifications that have occurred due to lack of adequate assistance. This book that I'm showing you right now, The Spirit Catches You and You Fall Down, is actually a wonderful book to describe just what our assignment is about. It explores the clash between a small community hospital in California and a refugee family from Laos over the care of a young child diagnosed with severe epilepsy. The child's parents and her doctor both wanted what was best for her, but the lack of understanding between them led to tragedy. It was purely cultural and linguistic, but it truly highlights the problems that patients and families of different cultures have in our healthcare environment. And this one child sure could have used a nursing advocate. So nurses and healthcare policy. If you're not at the table, you're on the menu. It's often been said. Really, who better than nurses to be involved with decisions that affect nurses? So are any of you members of the American Nurses Association? Or the American Nurses Association Massachusetts constituent, or your state constituent if you're not from Massachusetts? I urge you to look at their website. You can look at the website without being a member of the organization, but there are tips there to help you find who your state legislator is. There are tips to effectively help legislative change, and also tips to help you when meeting with senators and congressmen. One group of nursing advocates is the Nightingales. They are an anti-tobacco nursing advocacy group who believe that it is not socially responsible for the tobacco industry to actively market cigarettes. They have many goals to end marketing, smoke-free workplaces, and coverage for tobacco cessation in every plan. They are really a true example of our Week 2 competency. What do you think? What are your thoughts? Do you think that tobacco companies are unethical? So, again, feel free to get in touch with me if you have any questions about this week's assignment or this week's competencies, and I will see you online. Take care.